Never hold in a sneeze again. You could die. This man held in a strong sneeze, and look at the damage it caused to his trachea. Let's understand how this happened. David was having an ordinary day, driving to the market, when he felt a strong urge to sneeze. To avoid dirtying the inside of his car, he decided to hold it in. However, this instantly ruptured his trachea. At that moment, David felt a sharp pain in his throat and lost his voice. He started driving to the hospital and discovered what had happened. By holding in that sneeze, a 2-millimeter wide hole had opened in his trachea. According to the doctor, if the sneeze had been a bit stronger, it could have caused lung damage, ruptured his eardrums, or burst blood vessels in his eyes or brain. Because it was a weak sneeze, the damage was reversible, and he was fully recovered in 5 days.